on this episode of Doorbell News.
Put that back. Put that back right now. Put that back right now.
You're now watching Doorbell News.
La Mesa, California. Check this guy out. He tries to wiggle somebody's doorknob. Looks like he has some high fashion on.
Hello? You would be smart to get off of our front door.
Yeah, you smart, all right. Get lost!
I don't know. He was just standing there.
Richmond, Texas. So this guy just walks right inside someone's house. The homeowner said that he had some type of mental disorder. Texas City, Texas. So this guy walks up to somebody's house late night, fidgeting with his phone. Hey, it's the wrong house, buddy. It's 5:18 in the morning, and this guy definitely doesn't belong there.
What you want, man? What you want?
Yeah.
My friend.
Hey, man, you got the wrong house. You better get away from my house.
Yes. I'm sorry.
Yeah, get away from my house.
Austin, Texas. Check her out.
Who? Dad. Answer.
She's trying to act like it's her parents' house, but she doesn't live there. This isn't your parents' house.
Pooh. Oh, it's alright. That's okay, Pooh. Okay, Pooh. Pooh.
Yeah, she's trying to ring the doorbell to act like she knows somebody that lives there. You don't know nobody that lives here. Get lost!
Mom? Dad?
Dad. I ain't your daddy. I ain't your daddy.
Mom? Minute. My mom has my money bag. Mom. That's my mom.
Odessa, Texas. Check this guy out.
I'm a neighbor.
Oh, you're the neighbor?
I'm sorry to bother you, ma'am. I live just down the road, and my girlfriend's mom and dad, they kicked me out of the house, and I was gonna ask if there's any way that I can do anything to like at least something.
Nope. Get lost. Lubbock, Texas. Hey. A Doorbell News viewer sent us this video of him almost taking out his barbecue. We hope he's okay. Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Check this guy out. Looks like we got a doorknob wiggler. Yeah, always keep those doors locked. Ormond Beach, Florida.
Hey. I can't. Okay, I'm done. I'm finished.
Never a dull moment in Florida. Atlanta, Georgia. Yeah, that's why you gotta make sure those keys aren't under those doormats.
Hey. Knock, knock.
Knock, knock, get lost! Jackson, Mississippi. So this guy walks up to somebody's car at 5:50 in the morning, but the homeowner notices him going inside her car and has a few words for him. Let's see what happens.
Get the fuck out of my car right now before I call the police.
Yeah. Tacoma, Washington.
Everybody got Ring Doorbell cameras?
Yeah, everybody got Ring Doorbell cameras. Get lost! West Sacramento, California. Check this guy out. This guy's trying to steal a car battery. Look at him. So petty.
Put that back.
Yeah.
Put that back right now.
Yeah.
Put that back right now.
Yeah, put my car battery back before I come outside. What you think this is?
So much.
Oh, you got a shopping cart, eh? Yeah, you ain't putting this battery in your shopping cart.
I'm watching you.
San Antonio, Texas. So this guy's creeping around someone's backyard, but the homeowners come outside and exercise their Second Amendment. Let's see what happens. Make sure you thumbs up this video and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. New video coming tomorrow.
Hey, what's up?
How's it going?
Hey, Bob. What's going in there, Eddie?
That's all I had to know.
Get the guns, Howard.
I'm ready, for real.
Oh, you ready?
I've been talking. Y'all know y'all turned your light on twice. I jumped the fence.
Why? 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 Oh, cops.
Amen. Done.
I don't know you, man.
All right. Okay.
You need to go back.
Get up.
Oh. Oh. Go back.
This is Jen from Doorbell News. We are now offering members only exclusive content.
Become a member of Doorbell News today. Get exclusive content. Join today for exclusive access.
Become a member of Doorbell News today.
Doorbell News Crime Watch. Coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.